All right, so what do I see as the best ID for Python developers? Personally, the only one I use is Visual Studio Code. I do use Pycharm once in a while, but this is what I use when I'm running my program. So this is something because I'm so terrible at designing. Like I need someone to help me learn to design. Like if you see how ugly every single thing I design is, but you know what, it's functional. And one day I'm going to learn to work on my UI. But so Visual Studio they have like a lot of plugins that helps in completing your code, running directly from here is smooth. If you are running with frameworks, you know, it's just to me personally, I love the environment, I love the feel, and it's very customizable. And then there is PyCharm. So PyCharm obviously has to be good because it was tailored with the mindset of like Python developers. So they also come with plugins. I haven't really looked into their plugins though. So if you let's say you want to create a new project, one thing as a Python developer, we always run, or at least you should always run your code using virtual environment. If you don't know what that is, how will I explain it? It's like creating a second computer within your computer. For example, if you're writing a code just to avoid like collisions between multiple codes, especially when you're starting to work on a lot of projects. So I use this virtual env, but I'm familiar with pipe env, but these two I honestly never heard of before though. But they will automatically activate your virtual environment for you. And if you the feel it personally, I don't exactly like how it looks though, but I mean it's okay. It's reminding me of what's the stuff, Android Studio. So I don't really like that. But you know, those are the two IDs I would advise you to go for if you are coming in as a Python developer. Yeah.